Hello, you beautiful people out there. My name is Majestic Muffin, and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. Today, I want to do like a Christmas-themed look, hence the red and the white. And I got these cute little penguin earrings going on, and the themed makeup as well. So the reason I'm doing this is because I watched Violent Night again pretty recently. For those of you who don't know what movie that is a movie with David Harbour and he plays a Santa, and it's an action movie, and it's so much fun. It's such a good movie. I 10 out of 10 recommend it. But in it, he stabs someone through the cheek with a candy cane. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have it like going through here, like through here, the cheek, and then I was gonna make like a whole prop for it, but then I didn't end up having time, and I really wanted to do something Christmas themed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to build up a point with bone wax and paint it to make it look like, paint it to make it look like the end of the candy cane. But I literally just thought about this right now, but if you suck it down, no, stop, listen. If you suck the candy cane to a point where it's sharp enough to stab someone, the color would be gone. So I guess it really doesn't matter that much. But I digress. So, the things that you'll need for this look, liquid latex, which, not that much, honestly, just enough to keep that on our face, you know. And I'm gonna be using 99% isopropyl alcohol because I have my very trustworthy and almost empty mini bloody palette from Ripper FX that I will be using to help color it. It's going to be a very fresh wound. So there's not gonna be a lot of different colors in it. It's just gonna be a lot of red and irritation because you're stabbing the skin. And I think I might be using some scar wax later to make the hole where the candy cane is coming out of, but that might honestly be easier to just build around with liquid latex. I'll show you guys in a second, obviously. That's about it. Blood. Mouth-safe blood. Oh my god, I cannot stress this enough. Please use mouth-safe blood when you are doing this shit, okay? Okay. So I'll just let this go, and yeah, enjoy. I am using petroleum jelly, or Vaseline, whatever you want to call it, to smooth out the scar wax because I decided to make a hole where I want my candy cane to be stabbed through, and then I'm just shaping it how I want it. Ever so gently. Okay. Look at that. It's a little, maybe I'll like tilt it a little bit so it like looks more realistic. Okay. I'm almost out of runny blood. I'm so sad. I should have asked for that for Christmas. Oh god, that was too much. Help! Okay. See, once you add blood, everything looks 10 times better. My poor pants. This shirt too. Oh my god, I should have taken off my necklaces. Oh well, it's fine. And then I'll put some mouth blood in as well. The pictures will be at the end of this video. So yeah, enjoy.